tell me a bit about the process? That'd be brilliant.
It looks complicated, but it really isn't. Up that blue pipe comes the incoming water, which is normal town's tap water. Comes all the way down and goes into this tank. Each of those tanks holds 10,000 litres. It then comes from there and it's pumped through one of these vessels, which is a water softener. And then it's pumped from there into these blue vessels. This is a carbon filter, which takes any smell out of the water. And then it's pumped through this, which is our own machine, which is a reverse osmosis. And inside these two chambers, there's a tightly wound membrane, and the pore sizes in that membrane are so small, it will only allow water molecules through. So anything that's in the water, any particles that shouldn't be, gets trapped on the outside, and that's constantly flushed away back down the drain. Through into this machine, which is the ETA machine, which is the thing that makes the analyte for us, which is the bit that we're interested in. And then it's hit with some fairly high current electricity, and it breaks the water and brine down into two components. One is an analyte, which is the bit that we want, and the other is a catholyte. And then from the middle tank, which is our analyte tank, what I can actually do with this, I can say what strength I want to make it. Whatever a customer wants, I can make it any strength to suit a given order. And it's literally as easy as this to dispense. And now coming out of there, that's now discharged, being mixed as it comes down the pipe.
So Jag, what makes these products so eco-friendly?
That's a great question, Diane. So our product is 100% natural. We create it from sea salt, water which is purified 54 times through the RO machine, and then we put it through the reactive chamber, which is patented to create HOCL. So the benefits of using our product, HOCL, hypochlorous acid, it's natural for one, as we discussed. We manufacture everything on site, and our manufacturing partners regarding the actual containers and the bottles that we're supplying are manufactured in Wolverhampton, plus our printing, our materials that are used are sourced locally. So one of the other areas on the bottling, what we tend to do is reuse the bottle. So if I show you the cleaning bottles that we supply, so we give these out as a free bottle to all of our clients. All they do is they buy the 5 litres. We have the 5 litres back so we can wash them and reuse them and replace the safety cap. But all they're doing is topping up the smaller bottles. And that works, and that way we're recycling continuously. So I just want to show a bit of demonstration of how effective our product is. So just to give you an example, so this is ink, nice white table. What I'm going to do is just rub the ink into the table. We're going to take our mid-range solution, so that's at 200 ppm.